Hi everyone! So I'm back with another Jackson's watercolor sale video today. I feel like it's been such a long time since we had our last one, right? Like maybe 3 weeks ago? Well, let's get straight into it, shall we? It seems like this time it's Schmincke Horadam watercolor sale. I will warn you though that not all Schmincke Horadam watercolor products are on sale. Most of the open stock tubes are on sale though, so the regular colors as well as the super granulating colors are all on sale. Most are on sale. Don't forget the limited edition random gray watercolor tube. It only comes in 15 milliliters, but it is limited edition of this year. So if you're into limited edition things, maybe you'd want to buy it, maybe? Lana actually has an in-depth review video of this Schmincke random gray color. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave her link down below. Interesting set I feel like I haven't seen before is this prime mixing set, which seems to be actually a really good beginner set for those of you who are looking to get straight into watercolor and want artist grade and you're not gonna fuss with, like student grade or lower grade watercolors. I think this is a really good set because it's very similar to the Daniel Smith Essentials set in that you get a warm and cool of each of the primaries. So you get a warm and cool yellow, warm and cool red, and warm and cool blue. Moving on to the super granulation sets. Again, most of these are on sale. Some of them aren't, so don't mind that. Let's just take a look at the ones on sale. And a big thing I wanted to point out for you guys that most people tend to forget is that their watercolor dot cards are on sale as well. So the full range of the 140 colors, as well as the super granulation colors, are both on sale. So that's splendid. If you're looking to try their whole range, buy one of each. And apparently some colors from the Shinhan Pass range are also on sale. Only the ones you see here on screen are on sale, so do check those out. Just click on the filter special offers and you'll see them come up. And again, as always, I'd really appreciate it if any of you guys would consider using the affiliate links below if you do get anything. Thank you so much, guys! And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated. Happy shopping, everyone!